It's on video at least.
You got that on video?
Yeah, I'm just getting this on video. I had to delete a few things. I had to delete a few things just to get this on video. I'm literally getting this on video. Oh, it's pretty. Oh God. Alright, let's just watch these fireworks. Alright, it's over. I get to pick.
Alright, pick one.
Alright, he's literally. Alright, which one should we do, Rachel? Let's do one that doesn't look exciting, like this one.
That one doesn't look exciting to you?
It doesn't look. Oh, it does actually.
Dancing.
Maybe we should do
sombreros.
this.
That one.
It says.
Here, do Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo. With
No, I don't want to do this one. Like that one's gonna be
okay,
last.
well then do Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo. These two.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by its toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. You will be the one I choose. Told you.
Here, set it up.
What?
Rachel can light it. Here, I need your light.
Thank
It's
you.
already lit. Okay.
Alright, let's go. Guys, let's go. We're gonna do a big one.
Don't scare me.
Wait, what is it called again? What is it called, Rachel? Dancing sombreros. I guess they mean like he's gonna scare you. He's right behind you. Don't do that, John. You mess up the fireworks. And then we're gonna do the lemon one after. Rachel, then we're gonna do the lemon one. It's gonna scare you, I know it. Back up. Oh dang. I almost lost the flip flop. Oh my goodness gracious. Look how beautiful all that smoke looks. Ah, it changes colors. Oh. This one might take a while. Oh dang, that's loud. Jeez. Oh my gosh. That is loud. I bet we woke up like half the neighbors. Oh well for them. At least it's a really long one. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna go.
Oh yeah, that was good.
Where's the lemon one? Alright, got it. Here. Here's the lemon one. I don't know how to set it up though. I'll make sure he does it. Mom, what are we gonna do with the balloons? Can we make ourselves have little tiny places? Phil, do it. I want Phil to do it. Fire. Oh, I believe this is going to be a really loud one. I think it is. So cute.
Yes, right there.
I'm going to stand back where Rachel is, guys. Rachel. You legit right now, John? Moving it. It looks like the same one from last time. Doesn't it? Oh my God. Oh dang. That's totally the same one from, oh dang. It's totally like the same one from last time. Jeez.
Oh yeah. Olympics.
Yeah, Olympics. They should have Olympics fireworks. Just like the rings, just like
Go USA.
USA. Oh dang. Is it over? Alright, I'm gonna go get the last one. Now this is a really big one. Hold on, I just want to get this really big one. Here you go. It's called TNT, oh God. And then wait, are we gonna do these ones as well? Are we gonna do these too? Phil?
Yeah.
Oh dang.
Bottle wrap.
I wish we actually had sparklers. I'll be like, woo-hoo. I'm getting this on recording. I don't know, like Mommy, the top part of this dress makes me have itchies.
Yeah, it's material.
Wow, it takes a while.
You know, some people can really do that, like really good.
What?
They do that.
What?
No.
The backs?
Do that pretty loud, Poodle.
Oh,
Best one yet.
yeah, it's a really big one too.
Is that it?
Now we have all these little ones over here. Why do they all have the same thing? You really legit?
Is that it?
Is that it?
What the fuck is that?
And that's a really big one.
Told you.
Now we got all these little ones to do.
It went from good.
Get some more.
Well, that's... Do we have any more fireworks?
No, I'm done. Now.
Mommy, we do?
Okay.
Since when do we have more Oh, I'm gonna go. Guys, we're gonna go get some more fireworks. Molly, can I come and get some fireworks with you? Man, my thing got smudged. Mommy, my nails. Mom, my nails got smudged. That means I gotta make 3 videos of fireworks. Alright, let's get these fireworks, guys. I'm gonna get these fireworks for my mom's stash of fireworks because I know where it is. Does it come with sparklers?
This one.
Ooh.
This one. Do 2 more.
We don't got sparklers though.
No sparklers. Oh, what's this?
Please tell me they're sparklers.
Lucy Glow Punks. Maybe.
Please be sparklers, guys. Hopefully these glow. Hi, Oscar, if you guys know my cat. He's adorable. Meow. We'll come back to you in a 3rd video in a second.